The Honor 200 Pro, released in mid-2024, has garnered attention for its design, camera capabilities, and performance. The Honor 200 Pro boasts a premium design with a dual-texture back panel that combines matte and glossy finishes, giving it a distinctive and elegant look. The curved edges and slim profile ensure a comfortable grip, while the metal frame adds to its durability and solid feel. The phone's construction is sturdy, with well-fitted materials that enhance its premium appeal. Despite its stylish aesthetics, it remains practical, offering a balance between sophistication and durability. The overall build quality is flagship grade, making it feel robust and high-end in everyday use. The Honor 200 Pro features a stunning 6.78-inch quad-curved AMOLED display with a resolution of 2700 by 1224 pixels, delivering sharp visuals and vibrant colors. With a peak brightness of 4000 nits, it ensures excellent visibility even under direct sunlight. The 120 Hz refresh rate provides smooth scrolling and fluid animations, enhancing the user experience. HDR support and deep blacks contribute to immersive viewing, making it ideal for media consumption and gaming. The curved edges add to the premium feel, though they may lead to occasional accidental touches. Overall, the display is one of the standout features of the Honor 200 Pro, offering a flagship-level experience. The Honor 200 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, delivering strong performance for both everyday tasks and demanding applications. The device handles multitasking efficiently, ensuring smooth app transitions and responsiveness. Gaming performance is impressive, with high frame rates and minimal lag in most titles, though it lacks some advanced AI features found in the standard Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Thermal management is decent, with only slight heating under heavy loads. Overall, the chipset provides a flagship-like experience, making the Honor 200 Pro a capable performer in its category. The Honor 200 Pro features a versatile triple-camera setup on the back, including a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP telephoto lens with 2.5x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultrawide sensor. The main camera captures detailed and vibrant images with excellent dynamic range, even in low-light conditions. The Honor 200 Pro features a 50MP front camera paired with a 2MP depth sensor, delivering high-quality selfies with sharp details and natural skin tones. The AI-powered enhancements refine images without making them look overly processed, maintaining a balanced and realistic appearance. The Honor 200 Pro comes with 12 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient performance across various applications. With the help of virtual RAM expansion, it can handle multiple background apps without noticeable slowdowns. Storage options go up to 512 GB, providing ample space for photos, videos, and large applications. The UFS storage technology ensures fast read and write speeds, improving app loading times and overall responsiveness. The Honor 200 Pro is equipped with a 5200 mAh battery, offering excellent endurance for a full day of heavy use, including gaming, streaming, and multitasking. Its power efficiency is optimized by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and macOS software, ensuring longer screen-on time. The Honor 200 Pro offers impressive charging capabilities, supporting 100W wired charging that can fully charge the 5200 mAh battery in around 41 minutes. This fast-charging technology ensures minimal downtime, making it ideal for users with busy schedules. Additionally, the device supports 66W wireless charging, which is highly convenient for quick top-ups without needing to plug in. Running on macOS 8.0 based on Android 14, the Honor 200 Pro provides a user-friendly interface with AI-enhanced features. The system is responsive, offering customization options and a focus on privacy and security. Pros: stunning 50MP triple camera setup with excellent low-light performance. Fast 100W wired and 66W wireless charging. Powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset for smooth performance. Gorgeous 6.78-inch AMOLED display with vibrant colors. Cons: no microSD card slot for expandable storage. Occasional accidental touches due to curved edges. Relatively high price for a mid-range phone. Conclusion: the Honor 200 Pro stands out in the premium mid-range smartphone market, offering a compelling blend of design, performance, and camera capabilities. Its emphasis on portrait photography, combined with fast charging and a vibrant display, makes it a strong contender for users seeking a balanced and feature-rich device.